Ready to move your crypto assets between your Bybit accounts with lightning speed. First, open your Bybit app and make sure you're logged in. Of course now, at the bottom of your screen, you'll see a few icons. Tap on the assets icon, usually located on the far right. This will take you to your asset overview. Look for the transfer button. It's usually blue or a prominent color, making it easy to spot. Tap that transfer button to initiate the process. Great, you're now on the transfer screen. Here, you need to specify the accounts you are transferring between. In the From field, select Unified Trading Account, and in the To field, choose Funding Account. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Tap the crypto symbol. It likely defaults to USDT, but you can change it to Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other crypto you hold. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer in the provided field. Double-check all the details to make sure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, tap the Confirm button at the bottom of the screen. You might be prompted for a security verification, such as a Google Authenticator code or a security key. Enter that if required. And that's it. You should see a notification confirming your successful transfer. The funds will now be available in your funding account. Go back to your assets page to verify that the balances have been updated. Now you know how to transfer your funds.